Welcome everyone. In this presentation, we are going to talk about CRISC as the certification and whether it is worth it for your career path. Does it align with your goals? So let's get started. What do we cover in this presentation? We cover the cyber risk explosion in globally. Then we cover how the hiring has increased and it has become urgent for this sector. Also, we start with what is CRISC and we'll discuss about the different types of jobs which you can get and the type of job demands and the career paths you can take, as well as the salary that you can get after this certification and the difference between certified and non-certified individuals. Also, we'll talk about the common myths and problems that people go through while trying to get this certification. And finally, we'll discuss how INSEC helps you through this entire process. So let's get started. The cyber risk explosion. So, about by the year 2025, global companies have lost about $10.5 trillion in global cybercrime. And therefore, risk leaders and risk assessment related roles have become very, very valuable. So, and then, as you can see, there are about 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs, and this is supposed to only projected to grow at 29% by the year 2034. And also, India also has about 40% risk job demand rise. So, as you can see, this is going to be this certification is going to give you a lot of job opportunities in the future. So, boards are now hiring risk professionals very urgently, as we have already discussed. A lot of these companies, such as RBI IT Risk Framework, SCBI Cybersecurity Framework, also there are GDPR compliance officers and the DPDP Act of India. It has created new requirements for risk managers with CRISC certification in immediate demand. Big Four and MNC risk practices have also started hiring for these roles, as well as board level risk committees have also become a common thing. So, what is CRIC? Let's discuss it. CRIC is full stands for Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. It is issued by ISACA USA and which was founded in 1969, and it is recognized in 180 plus countries worldwide. The exam has 150 questions and it is of 4 hours, and you need 450 out of 800 to pass. Your eligibility is that you need to have at least 3 years of risk as well as, or it could be information systems control experience. And also, you will have to have 120 CPEs every 3 years for maintenance of this certification. So it is not absolute. You will have to keep maintaining your certification every 3 years. Also, we have four main CRISC domains. First is IT risk identification. Second is IT risk assessment. Third is the most vast, which is risk response and mitigation. And fourth is risk and control monitoring and reporting. So, who is CRISC designed for? It is designed for people who are IT auditors and want to upgrade their careers, people who already hold CISA degrees and want to add it and pair it up with CRISC so that you have a dual cert in and work in IT governance. Then there is risk analysis and GRC professionals, compliance and regulatory leads, information security professionals, people who want to go in big four consultancy and advisory, as well as finance and operation professors. So, what are the types of jobs which you can get in this after getting a CRIC? What is the career ladder? So, you start off as a risk analyst, which will land you a salary of about 10 to 18 lakhs per annum. Then you go to senior risk analyst, which will land you a salary of 16 to 26 lakhs per annum. Then you'll go to IT risk manager, which will land you a salary of 22 to 38 lakhs per annum. Then you will become a GRC head or manager. That will land you a salary of about 30 to 50 lakhs per annum. After that, you can go for a vice president director at IT risk. This will land you a salary of 45 to 70 lakhs per annum. And the furthest you can go, or like the one of the highest paying jobs you can get in this, is a chief risk officer, which will land you a salary of 55 to 90 lakhs per annum. So, what are the industries that are actively hiring in people who have CRISC certifications? So, it is the Big Four consulting, banking and finance, IT and technology MNCs, government and PSUs, regulatory bodies, insurance and capital markets, healthcare and pharma, telecom and e-commerce. So almost all sectors, and every sector has that faces risks, IT risks as well as regulatory risks will hire. So it has a very vast demand. Now we have job demand trends. So an IT risk manager job can earn you about 22 to 38 lakhs per annum. And as you have already talked about it, with a dual degree, you can get IT audit plus risk. If you have a CISA plus a CRISC, you can land a salary of 28 to 48 lakhs per annum. And then you can be a GRC manager, risk and compliance lead, senior risk analyst, CRO or VP risk, which we have already discussed in the previous slide. So CRIC job demand globally. So also this is a certification that is recognized in 180 plus countries globally. So therefore, let us have like a short look at the type of salaries you can get outside of India with this certification. So in the USA, you can get a salary of rupees 91 to 120 lakhs per annum. In the UK, you can get a salary of 68 to 90 lakhs per annum. In Singapore, you can get a salary of 62 to 84 lakhs per annum. In UAE and Gulf countries, you can get a salary of 36 to 49 lakhs per annum. In Australia, you can get a salary of about 62 to 84 lakhs per annum. And in Canada, you can get a salary of 58 to 79 lakhs per annum. So where will CRISC take you? So we're going experience based. So after getting CRISC certified, the first year you will get an immediate salary jump and invitations from big fours and MNCs. Year 2 to 4, you can start working as a senior risk analyst. Year 5 to 7, you can start working as an IT risk manager, and year 8 to 12, you can become a GRC or a director, a GRC head or a director. And with 12 plus years of experience, you can easily go to higher roles and senior roles such as VP of risk as well as CRO with very lucrative salary of 55 to 90 lakhs per annum. What are the salary benchmarks in India for an average CRISC holder? So, as we've already discussed, for risk analysts, it is 16 to 26. For senior risk analyst, it is 20 to 32. In for risk IT risk manager, it is 28 to 42. And GRC head and director, it is 42 to 58. And these are significantly higher than the type of salaries you get without certification. And now let's look at it city-wise. So in Bangalore, it is the highest. You will get a salary of about 20 to 45 lakhs per annum. In Mumbai, it is about 18 to 42 lakhs per annum. In Delhi, it is 18 to 40 lakhs per annum. In Hyderabad, it is 16 to 38 lakhs per annum. And in Chennai, it is 14 to 35 lakhs per annum. So certified versus non-certified gaps. So salary wise, as you can see, there is a significant gap of being certified versus not being certified. Also, you have trouble getting shortlisted into the big four. Also, there is interview call rate is also very standard, but with CRIC it is 30 to 50% higher. Also, the time to become go to managerial roles is 7 to 10 years average without a certification or CRISC, but with a CRISC, it is 3 to 5 years, which is significantly low. Also, your CRO or board level roles track is almost blocked or very slow in most cases. But CRISC is a very recognized pathway that opens these roles for you. Also, negotiation power depends on the market average of your set of your role, but with a certification, it increases to 15 to 20%. Global role access are also very limited without a proper formal certification. But with CRISC, as we talked about it, it is open in more than 180 plus countries. So, what are some common myths about this certification? So, the first is that CRISC is only for IT professionals, which is wrong. It is designed for all risk professionals, whether it is finance, operations, compliance, legal backgrounds. Also, CRISC is too expensive to pursue, which is wrong, as INSEC has a very convenient pay after passing model in which you pay zero upfront cost and you invest into your certification almost 0 rupees until you are certified, and after certification is in your hands, that is when INSEC will ask you for your training cost, which is also very reasonable. And then CRIC takes lots of ISC takes years to prepare from. This is also wrong as INSEC has only a 90-day structured plan, and this is for people who are still working, and one-to-one mentorship, which for working professionals, so that they are able to pass And then we have the fourth myth, which is CRISC is too similar to CISC, and therefore not worth getting a second certification for. But the truth is that CISC is for IT auditing and CRISC is for IT risk. These are two completely different, and therefore they are complementary and not overlapping. So the best idea, if you want to be to get these certifications, is to get both of these in unison, and so that they complement each other. Also, there is the fifth myth that CRIC is only for Big Four and not for medium to small size countries, which is wrong, as a lot of companies like BFSI, PSU, ITMNCs, healthcare companies, they all mandate CRIC for risk and compliance roles nowadays. Now, let's see how CRIC works for non-IT professionals and whether it is difficult. So people with non-IT backgrounds can also get this certification, and they can end up working in finance and operations. They can become compliance professionals, internal audit leads, or banking and BFSI managers. We at INSEC make sure that even people with non-IT backgrounds have a thorough understanding, and we tailor our training courses according to their backgrounds. So it's not going to be a problem. Is CRIC actually hard? So the global first pass attempt is 55%, which is very low. So a lot of people consider this to be hard, but with a structured mentorship, it can increase to as as huge as 88%. So 88% can pass, and at INSEC we have a very big passing rate of 92 plus percent. This is because we have 150 scenario based questions, four domains. All four domains are covered. We have mock tests, or also we have a 90-day plan, which is very uh, curated. So you can say that it is not that hard with the right mentorship. Now let's discuss in six pay after passing model, which is India's first pay after passing model. In this, you enroll for free, and from the first day itself, you get full access to materials as well as one-to-one mentorship. We do not have batch-based questions, but instead we have one-to-one mentorship so that you can complete at your pace around your schedule. Then we will help you with your ISACA application so that you do not have any paperwork stress. Then we will help you with your mock exams, and we'll make sure that all of your analytics are reviewed by our mentors, Sai Shetty and BDS Reddy. Then after that, you have to pass your CRISC exam with the help of INSEC's structured approach. And only after you have passed will you pay us. And this is our guarantee. So these are some of the stories of INSEC students who have upgraded their careers and gotten their certifications after our training program. Now these are our mentors. Our mentors are Mr. Sai Shetty and Mr. BBS Reddy. They are all industry veterans who have a lot of experience in these certifications and will be with you through this entire process. And why what does INSEC's course include? So as we have already discussed, we have live one-to-one mentorship session. We have a library full of recorded session, which you can see as many times as you want. We have mock tests, so specific domain analytics. We have 24/7 WhatsApp mentor support. We also have placement and network access, where we have access to a huge alumni network of 2,000 plus professionals, and we have referrals in Big Four, BFSI, as well as MNC hiring partners. We also help you with application support for ISACA. Then we also have salary negotiation coaching. So our job does not only end after you get a certification. We also make sure that you use the certification and the data given by ISACA to upgrade your job and to make sure that your salary increases to at least 15 to 20% immediately after passing. Then we also have a pay after passing model that we have already discussed in the previous slides. So is CRISC worth it? The final verdict. Yes, it is. CRIC is one of the highest ROI certifications in IT management. The Big Four actively hire in this certification. Also, the new regulatory demands drive permanent growth in this sector, as well as it is globally accepted certification. And with INSEC, it is completely risk free. So What are you waiting for? You should start your CRISC journey now with free counseling, zero upfront and pay after pass model with INSEC. Also, if you have any more doubts about this certification, you can go to this link or WhatsApp us on this number for free counseling calls. Thank you, and I hope this presentation was helpful to you.